Hello children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is nature fruits and their uses. Our topic is nature fruits and their uses. Fruits and vegetables contains important vitamins, minerals, and plant chemicals. They also contains fiber. There are many varieties of fruits and vegetables available and many ways to prepare, cook, and serve them. A diet high in fruits and vegetables can help protect you against numerous diseases and sicknesses such as cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. There is a popular quote which says, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Any healthcare professionals knows that nature fruit is highly nutritious, delicious, and convenient addition to any diet. And many times, they are more cheaper and affordable to get. Each type of any nature fruit brings its own unique set of nutrients and benefits to the tables. The key is to eat fruits of various colors, as each color provides different set of healthy nutrients. The following are the 15 nature fruits that are all within and around us. The following are the 15 nature fruits that are all within and around us. Number 1, apple. Number 1, apple. Apple is one of the most popular fruits. Apples are chock full of nutrients. They are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. It helps us manage our blood sugar level, promote good digestion, and supports gut and heart health. They are good source of vitamin C, which are disease fighting. Consuming apple regularly may lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, overweight, and obesity. Number 2, blueberries. Number 2, blueberries. Blueberries are well known for their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It is very good for the body. Blueberries are well known for their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It is very good for the body. Number 3, banana. Number 3, banana. The benefits of banana go beyond their potassium content, along with providing 7% of the daily value. It is good for functional part of the body system. It is good for functional part of the body system. Number 4, orange. Number 4, orange. Oranges are known for their high concentrated vitamin C. Oranges are known for their high concentrated vitamin C content, providing 91% of the DV, that is, daily value, in a single fruit. They are also high in potassium, folate, and vitamin B1. They are also high in potassium, folate, and vitamin B1. Number 4, mango. Number 4, mango. Mango is known as the king of the fruits. It has an excellent source of potassium, folate, fiber, and vitamins, and vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Mango is known as the king of the fruits. It has an excellent source of potassium, folate, fiber, and vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Number 6, avocado. Number 6, avocado. Unlike most other fruits, avocados are high in healthy fats and low in natural sugars. Avocados are high in healthy fats and low in natural sugars. Number 7, pineapple. Number 7, pineapple. Number 7, pineapple. Pineapple is one of the most popular tropical fruits. Pineapple is one of the most popular tropical fruits. Number 8, strawberries. Number 8, strawberries. Strawberries are favorite fruit for many. They are delicious, convenient, and highly nutritious. In particular, strawberries are good source of vitamin C. Strawberries are good source of vitamin C. Number 9, cherries. Number 9, cherries. Cherries are a great source of fiber and potassium. Cherries are a great source of fiber and potassium, both of which are important for heart and gut health. Both of which are important for heart and gut health. Number 10, olives. Number 10, olives. Though they may not readily come to mind when you think of fruits, olives are a great addition to your diet. They are an excellent source of vitamin E. They are an excellent source of vitamin E. Number 11, watermelon. Number 11, watermelon. Watermelon is a highly nutritious summer favorite. Watermelon is a highly nutritious summer favorite. It's an abundant source of antioxidants such as vitamins A and C. Number 12, guava. Number 12, guava. Guava are convenient, healthy, and particularly high in vitamin K, which supports heart health. Guava are convenient, healthy, and particularly high in vitamin K, which supports heart health. Number 13, grapefruit. Number 13, grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of the healthiest citrus fruits. It is packed with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, with carotene, which converts into vitamin A. Grapefruit is one of the healthiest citrus fruits. It is packed with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, with carotene, which converts into vitamin A. Number 14, pawpaw. Number 14, pawpaw. Pawpaw contains high level of antioxidants. Pawpaw contains high level of antioxidants rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Lastly, number 15, cucumber. Number 15, cucumber. Cucumber helps you hydrated with fiber boost. Cucumber helps you hydrated with fiber boost and helps stay regular and avoid constipation. It has vitamin K. Which help blood clots and keep your bones healthy. Also, with vitamin A, which has many jobs like helping the vision, the immune system, and reproduction. In conclusion, many delicious and nutritious fruits can help ensure good health. There are many other nature fruits around us which you can choose from. Ensure to eat a varieties of colorful fruits on a daily basis to reap the greatest health benefits. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.